Alright, well, guess that wasn't gonna live for long, eh? Yup, pretty much. It wasn't alive anymore after all. But this run is. And as a matter of fact, I'm feeling decently about this run. So let's see what we can produce. Oh no, I went right over that, I think. Yep. Well, that's 100,000 lost. And that's no, okay, good. Ah crap, this is gonna die. Hoo hoo hoo! The closest of calls sometimes. It's really exhilarating when it happens, but damn so scary. 2-4, and a lot of time. Okay, I'm okay with this. Not gonna bitch about this. Not on pace for any mental 11 million scores, but you know, decent, very much decent. Shattering. Yeah, okay, I'm good. I'm good. Sweet. Almost exactly 3.7. Don't mind if I do.
King of the clubs, man in the air.
Fuck it. I'm not doing it. I'll take the 99,000. For a little bit there, I thought I actually didn't jump. Whew. It'd be a terrible conclusion to the run. Okay, sweet. I got this. That's almost 4.6. That's pretty solid. Okay, let's fucking go. Was I doing good for time? I think I was. That's what I remember anyway. Hopefully was, because I am going to be putting a lot of faith in time. I have my checkpoint here, so I should be fine. Okay, 1, 2, frame cancel, boom. Sweet. And yes, I'm good for time. Okay. Let's just get the triple X SA. Oh god, oh god. Oh my fucking slapata. Okay, fine. That's okay, that's okay. Did I jump too early? Oh my god, it did it again. Are you for real? Okay, this is gonna be a completed run at any rate. Loving it. Okay, what's this gonna be? Like 10.5? Oh! Almost a new world record! I did not have that high hopes for that run! What the fuck?